So here we have our service technician Johan.
Hello.
Hello. He will help us to demonstrate the saw today. But before we begin, Martin, here we have the SPL728 crosscut saw. So can you tell us about the saw and what parts are included?
Yeah, this one was saw in the 720 series. Over here we have the infeed bench.
Yes.
We can load in your material. And here you have the sawing unit. This unit is in two different types. 728 and 722.
Okay.
The difference is the blade can angle in the 728.
Okay. So
Otherwise
two different saw units.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And behind me, we have the outfeed bench with automatic length holder.
Okay. Okay. So this is, I guess, like a standard saw.
Yeah.
In what ways can the saw be customized?
You can change the length of the infeed bench.
Okay.
To different type of length depending on incoming material. You can also change the outfeed bench with the same length dimensions.
Yeah. Okay. And does it come with like a milling unit and splicing press?
Yeah, you can add a splicing press, a milling unit, and a drilling unit.
Okay.
Depending on.
Okay, sounds like a very versatile and flexible saw.
Yeah, it's very flexible.
But if you want to increase the capacity, do you need to buy one more saw, or can you like upgrade?
Yeah, you can add a infeed picker, so you can pick up material from the material pile. So you don't have to lift it up by yourself.
Okay.
And also you can place a stacker in the far end here.
Okay.
So you can pick out the material.
Okay. Very interesting. Okay, shall we begin the demonstration, Johan?
Yes. So first of all, we're going to cut a truss that I have already prepared, and I will say this is the way that most customers use the saw, running from a file. We can go from the main page, load from file, and here we have it prepared. This is all the pieces that we're going to need for this small truss. So we can press them and we can see how they look.
Okay.
The more angles and the more angles you have and different lengths, the more benefit to do it from a file. It will save you time. Otherwise, you have to manually put in the degrees and the lengths on every piece. But here it's already prepared.
But you have the possibility to do it manually as well.
You can do it manually, just fill it in from a paper.
Okay. Yeah.
You have that option too.
Martin, can you describe the process behind the file and the transfer from CAD software to the saw?
Yeah, many of the roof truss producer softwares.
Yes.
Where they draw the roof trusses, they can send the data to the saw unit. So they have a little converter file they have to add in the system.
Okay.
So then it's converted and go directly to the saw system.
Okay, so like an automatic process from the software, and then the saw will set up automatically according to file.
Yeah, and then the operator have to load the file here.
Okay. All right, let's begin cutting.
Yeah, let's make the first cut. So we start with this one. We press the blade. And glasses on.
Yeah. Safety glasses on.
Safety first.
We start the blade.
Yes.
So that was a clear cut.
Yeah, a clear cut, yes.
You see that the bench is automatically changed.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Length of getting position.
You see here? Press this surface.
Shall we load the wood piece to the material wagon?
So that was the first piece.
That was the first piece. Great. And you want to do, of course, you do as many as you need, and then you.
One more.
And also, you can change the language,
Okay.
the system, for
Okay.
different types of languages.
It's not only Swedish language.
No, it's international saw, so they have it
Impressive.
for the many markets.
Okay. Okay, so that was kind of the automatic way of using the saw when it sets up according to file.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we made 3 different pieces, and yeah, it's very easy to just.
Can you demonstrate how the saw operates if you do it in the manual mode as well?
Yes.
Maybe we can do this the most complex, like a hip bend cut.
Yeah. So if you want to do it manual, this is the main page. We go select cut type, and here we kind of design how we want it to look. So this is the timber from above, and this is from the side. If you want a tilted cut, so right now it's just a straight cut.
Yes.
If we want to do the hip end, as we call it, we want to have tilted. So we're going to start with a straight cut and then do the so-called hip end.
As you see, if you do manually, you have to press a little bit more.
Yes.
But otherwise, if you do it directly from the CAD system,
Yes.
the machine has prepared everything, so you don't have to press all the buttons.
Correct.
I understand.
So let's try and make this cut.
Yes.
And you also see that the materials is fixed in the right position.
Yeah.
So we have draggers to drag it into the side.
Is that crucial for a high quality?
Yeah, sometimes the incoming material is a little bit bent.
Yeah.
And then you get the help from this fixing tool.
So normally, I guess you connect this saw to some dust extraction system.
Yeah, we don't have a dust extraction connected now.
No.
But otherwise we have it's in the end here,
Yeah.
in the back.
Yeah.
And you see the blade can be rotating around.
Yes.
So it's So now it's flowing in that direction.
Yes. So here you're actually cutting 3 wood pieces at one time. What's the purpose of doing that?
To save time, be more effective. You can do 3 at a time. It's as long as we are straight cut or not too low angle, it's fine to do 3 at a time.
Okay.
That's all right.
Now it's going in. Let's stop this. Yeah. All right. So that was kind of how you maximize the capacity with the saw. Can you show us the maximum length the cut the saw can make?
So if we have a really low angle that the blade can't make it once, it has to come up twice or even 3 times. If you do it at the end of the timber, it will do automatically, the length stop will move and then the blade comes up a second time.
Okay.
If we want to do it at the front, we need help to position the timber from the length stop. So let's try that. See,
We tried a hard one.
Yeah.
try the hard one. And the length stop coming to help position the timber.
That's an impressive cut you just made. Yeah.